The Grenadian fans expectant. They should be so proud of what they have achieved here. Ozai Gardner will lead off for Antigua and Barbuda. Bahamas, they go in lane number 7. Make that lane number 4, apologies. Grenada in lane 5. There's Gardner for Antigua and Barbuda, the lead-off runner.
On your marks.
Tight inside lane. That's number 1. Under 20 boys, 4x400 final.
Set.
Antigua, Barbuda, St. Vincent and the Grenadines, Trinidad and Tobago, Bahamas, Grenada, Jamaica, Guyana, and Barbados. Grenada have the 400 champion on the opening leg. Gave them a fine start in qualifying today.
Guyana.
And he's looking to do that again tonight, the Guyanese. Javon Pinnock seems to be on the opening leg for Jamaica. Trinidad and Tobago have stopped here. No, it's Kamaria Bygrave on the opening leg for Jamaica. Guyana and Jamaica. Barbados going well on the outside in lane 8 as well. The 400 champion, the 46-35 man, steps away to give Guyana a slight advantage over Jamaica. Brilliant run by the 800-1500 champion, and the officials getting caught in the way of some of the athletes there as Marcinia Rose takes the baton for Jamaica. The 400 silver medalist goes in front. Guyana in second. Terrific start for them. They're in medal position. Rose wants to leave with a gold medal, and he opens up the advantage for the Jamaicans. Barbados in third. They have a shot at the medal as well. St. Vincent and the Grenadines in fourth. Down the home stretch they come. Rose for Jamaica. Guyana, Barbados, St. Vincent and the Grenadines, and Grenada following. Here they come. Javon Pinnock has the baton now for Jamaica. Falls started in the 400 final. Was on the third leg of the silver medal winning 4x100 team last night. Is this his moment of glory as he flies down the backstretch? The Jamaicans are well clear here. 3:05.68, the CARIFTA record. Pinnock still flying. Guyana still in second position. Barbados in third. St. Vincent and the Grenadines in fourth. Grenada not out of it yet. They are in fifth position. Here they come to the final change. It's Jamaica. They have, is that Jaquan Coke on the anchor leg? It is Jaquan Coke, you know. First we're seeing him for the CARIFTA Games. Well, second, he was in the 1500. Silver medalist in the 1500. Shocker seeing him on the 4x4 team, but the Jamaicans are so far clear. There's a mad battle on for the silver medal. Guyana holding that position. Grenada coming forward. Barbados there as well. St. Vincent and the Grenadines just off the pace. Coke is fighting and holding on for Jamaica. He is so far clear. He's not going to be caught. Guyana in second. Grenada in third. Barbados in fourth. Jamaica, Guyana, Grenada, Barbados. That's the way they go across the line. The Jamaicans sweep the 4x4s. The Grenadians have another medal to celebrate. Guyana with a silver medal. And Terra finished here. It is fitting.
The men's 4x400m relay at the 2024 CARIFTA Games was a spectacular showcase of speed, strategy, and dominance. The Jamaican team once again demonstrated their supremacy, with the race unfolding in dramatic fashion that reinforced their reputation in track and field. From the starting gun, the competition was fierce. Teams from Antigua and Barbuda, the Bahamas, Grenada, Trinidad and Tobago, Jamaica, Guyana, Barbados, and St. Vincent and the Grenadines approached the track with focus and ambition, each chasing a podium finish. Anticipation filled the air as the athletes settled into their blocks. Grenada, led by their 400m champion, exploded out of the blocks and quickly set the early pace. Guyana kept close, showing clear determination, while Jamaica positioned themselves well within the lead pack. As the first handoff approached, the crowd roared with anticipation, watching a heated battle at the front. During the second leg, Jamaica started to take control. Marini Rose, who had secured silver in the individual 400m, ran an impressive split, giving Jamaica a commanding edge. Guyana held steady in second, with Barbados and St. Vincent and the Grenadines in pursuit. Grenada, despite a strong start, had to fight hard to remain in the mix. The third leg saw a comeback performance from Jamaica's Javon Pin, who had false-started in the individual 400m final. His blazing run widened the lead and reaffirmed Jamaica's quest for gold. Guyana stayed strong in second, while Barbados and Grenada were locked in a tense contest for the bronze. As the baton passed for the final time, Jamaica's lead was clear, but the chase for silver and bronze was far from settled. Jaquan Chino anchored for Jamaica with a composed and efficient run. His confident performance secured Jamaica's grip on the top spot. Behind him, Guyana managed to fend off a fast-finishing Grenada, while Barbados came just short of medaling. At the finish, Jamaica claimed the win, with Guyana taking second and Grenada rounding out the podium in third. Barbados had to settle for fourth in a closely contested race. Beyond victory, Jamaica once again underlined their dominance in the relay, continuing their tradition of excellence at the CARIFTA Games. This relay reaffirmed Jamaica's position as a powerhouse in athletics. Their victory was built on a foundation of talent, discipline, and a rich cultural heritage in sprinting. Jamaica's story on the track is far from over, with their athletes consistently delivering under pressure on the international stage. With attention now turning to the 2025 season, races like this reflect the vibrant energy of athletics. As Jamaica leads the charge, the Caribbean track and field scene remains a source of great excitement. Stay tuned for more captivating updates, and be sure to subscribe for top-tier athletics coverage.